that contains only one element is called singleton set. For example, set A is equal to this set A is the singleton set. Set B is equal to set of element x where x is sun. This is also singleton set. The sets are represented by a diagram called as Venn diagram. Consider this example. U is the set of all hospitals in CTC. A is set of COVID care hospital. B is set of non-COVID care hospitals. Firstly, we require set of all hospitals, which is the universal set denoted by U. Then A is the set of all COVID care hospitals. Suppose this set is A. A consists of set of all COVID care hospitals. Then set B is set of non-COVID care hospitals. This is set B. This is the Venn diagram that representing the set A and set B are subsets of set U. U is set of all hospitals. A is one set that is contained in set U. B is another set of all non-COVID care hospitals that is contained in set U. This is what the Venn diagram. We also represent some other sets by using Venn diagram. If we consider U is equal to set of all first 10 natural numbers. Set of first 10 natural numbers. A equal to set of first even natural number we can write this in symbolic form also. A is equal to set of all elements x where x is set belongs to set of natural numbers. X is even and x is less than or equal to 10. Consider the set B is equal to set of all elements x where x belongs to set of natural number, x is all and x less than or equal to 10. Then we write list of the element of the set U, A and B. That list is given by set U contains first 10 natural numbers. Therefore, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what the set U. This method of writing the set is called as listed method because we are listing the elements of the set U. And here we have written the set U as in the form of some object where some property or some condition on that object is mentioned. This is another method, this is listed method. Set A is written as x belongs to set of natural number. We know the set of natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. A is the set of all even natural numbers which are less than or equal to 10. Hence, even are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 is also The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. Set B is given by set of all odd natural numbers x such that x is less than or equal to 10. Hence we write odd natural numbers up to 10, which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the 5 odd natural numbers less than or equal to 10. And we represent this set in the form of Venn diagram as this is the set U, set of all first 10 natural numbers. This set is A that contains 5 elements, and these elements of set A does not belong to the set B. Also, neither of the element of set B belongs to the set A. Hence, we represent A and B in different form. Suppose this is set A that contains 5 elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the another set which is set of odd natural numbers up to 10. This is called as set B. This is what the Venn diagram. U is this set, A is this set, because A does not contain any element of B, hence we have written B in another form. In the same set U, if we choose two sets, A is equal to U is this set. Now consider another set, suppose P is equal to the set of 3 elements 1, 3 and 6, and Q set contains the elements 1, 3, 6, 9 and 10. Okay, now we represent these sets by Venn diagram as, see that every element of set B is the element of set Q. Hence, P is subset of Q. By definition of subset, each element of set B belonging to the set Q, hence P is subset of Q, or Q is superset of set P. We represent these sets in Venn diagram as, this is set U is the same set of first 10 natural numbers. P is the set of 3 elements and Q is the set of 5 elements. That 5 elements are again from set U. P and Q are subsets of set U, hence U is this bigger set. Then consider the set Q. This is set Q, and the set P is subset of the set Q. This is what the set P. Suppose this is the set. This is the set P. P consists of 3 elements. That 3 elements belongs to set Q. Hence this set is Q. Because Q contains the element 1, 2, 3, and 2 more elements that contains Q are 9 and 10. And all the elements of Q as well as P belongs to universal set U. Hence this is what the Venn diagram to represent these sets P, Q and U. And these are another subsets of U that are represented in this form. The next definition is power set. Set of all subsets of a set A is called as power set. Going to example of power set, we will see what is empty set. The set that contains no element. For example, if we write A or say X is the set of all elements, X belongs to real numbers. X is the set of all real numbers that satisfy where X square is negative. We know the result square of any real number is positive Here we are considering some real numbers whose square is negative. It is not possible. Hence, there is no element belong to set X. Therefore, X consists of none of the element or X is empty. The set that doesn't contain any element is called as empty set and it is represented by 5. Power set of set is the set of all subsets of a set is called as power set. For example, if we have one set A is equal to this set of 3 elements X, Y and Z. Then power set of set A is set of all subsets of set. We have this set. Now we write subset of this set. Firstly, we write subsets of this set. Which are the subsets? See, empty set does not contain any element. Hence, empty set is always subset of any set. Empty set is always a subset of any set. In fact, any set X. Note that if X is a set, then the empty set phi and X are always subsets of set X. If X is any set, then there are two subsets of X. There are always two possible subsets of X given by phi and X. The set itself is a subset of set X. You can consider any set. For example, this is a set, singleton set A. Empty set is subset of this set, and this set consists of one element. Therefore, the set A is subset of itself. This is the set. We write its subset. A1 is equal to singleton set X. A2 singleton set Y. A3 singleton set Z. A4, the set consists of two elements of set A. Suppose X and Y. A5 is a subset of set A that again contains two elements X and Z. A6 consists of the elements Y, Z. The set A, suppose this is A7, is equal to X, Y, Z, and AA is equal to 5. Empty set. This is the subset of set A because every element of set A1 is the element of set A. Similarly, every element of the set A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7 are all the elements of set A. Hence, there are 9 subsets of set A. There are 8 subsets of set A, and if we consider set that contains all these sets is called as power set of set A. Hence, power set of this set A is given by therefore power set of set A and its notation is P of A. It is equal to set of all subsets of A that are singleton set X, Y, Z, XY, XZ, YZ, XYZ and phi. We write this phi as this set, only empty curly bracket. This is also the same set which is empty set. These are 8 elements belongs to the power set of A. set of A, P of A contains 2 raised to n elements. Here, there are 3 elements belongs to set A. Therefore, the value of n in this example is 3 and the power set contains 8 elements, which is 2 raised to 3. In this example, the set A contains 3 elements. We write that as number of elements of set A are represented by this symbol and is called cardinality of set A. The number of elements of A is represented by this symbol mod A and is called as cardinality of set A. In this example, cardinality of A is equal to 3 because there are 3 elements x, y and z and the power set of A contains the elements. Now, the elements of power set of A are in the form of sets. First element, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hence, power set of A contains 8 elements and then that A is obtained by taking 2 to the power 3 because